to Excel English Academy, and today we will read the 8th chapter of class 7, Demon and Python. These are two names and the whole story is based on true friendship. Okay, before we start the chapter, let us have the discussion of word meaning of the chapter. The word meaning is tyrants. Tyrants means autocrat, despot. Okay, it means those who do according to its own, having no rules and regulations. Nav means jack, rascal. You may call gulam. Harsh means rough, abrasive, and that is tough, not clear. Penalty means punishment and forfeit. Embrace means hug and bosom. Okay, now we will read the chapter word by word in short so that we could have all the ideas and concept of this chapter. Thank you. Let's start the chapter. See, Demon and Python. King Dionysus realizes that he may be a king with a lot of riches, but Python has something more precious, a true friendship. It means King Dionysus thought that I have all things materialistic, I have all the materialistic things, but I think that friendship is more valuable than this materialistic world. Okay, so see, let the whole chapter. Read and enjoy the play. Character, narrator, demon, Python, guard, Dionysus, chief jailer, followers of Dionysus, Python, people in the crowd. See, I will read it quickly. So go through the word by word. Okay, see. Narrator. King Dionysus was an extremely rich and a cruel tyrant who ruled over Syracuse, one of the kingdom of Greece. In his kingdom there was a young man called Demon. It means in Syracuse, the king of Syracuse is Demon, Dionysus, and the Demon lived there. He had a friend called Python who lived in another kingdom. Okay, Python lived in another kingdom and Demon lived in Syracuse. The two were great friends and we hardly ever seen apart. If Demon did not go to visit Python, then Python came to see Demon. Once Python was meeting Demon, unfortunately he made Dionysus very angry by saying in public that he was a weak ruler. The tyrants put him in prison and condemned him to die in 3 months. It means both were visited regularly to each other, and one day the demon said, Python said that the Dionysus is a weak ruler in publicly. Dionysus, who is the name you soldiers have brought? Who is the rascal you have brought, and why you have brought? Chief jailer, it is the man you sent us to arrest for speaking against you, O mighty king. You have said, arrest such man who opposed me and who said me weak. Dionysus, you are the scoundrel that spoke against me, the great king of Syracuse. Tell me what you have dared to say against my good name. Why you have said against me? Python, all I spoke was the truth, that although you are powerful, you are a cruel and foolish king. Cruel because you rule with a fierce army, foolish because your people serve you out of fear, not because they respect and love you, a good ruler would. It means the Python said, you are a powerful and cruel ruler and foolish because all of you followed him because of your fear, not due to your respect. Dionysus, silence, I have heard enough. Because of insolent words you shall learn how powerful truly I am. You will be thrown into prison, and at the end of 3 months you will be put to death. It means I will put you in prison and you will die after 3 months without having food. Okay? Damon entering, please, my king spared his life. My friend Pythas is a stranger here and he didn't know that it was against the law to criticize you in public. It means he doesn't know. It is a crime to say against you. Dionysus, in my kingdom my word is law. He will learn his the hard way, and after his death other will think twice before they speak against the mighty Dionysus. It means it will be a lesson for other person. Pythas, King Dionysus, I must accept your harsh law, but I ask a favor of you. I ask that you let me return to my country and bid goodbye to my old mother and young sister. They will be alone in the world, which no one to look after them. After I die, let me make some arrangement for both for them. Then I will return to receive my punishment. It means Pythas said, please leave me for some time to say goodbye to my mom and family members, and after that you can hang me to death, okay, or you can punish me. Dionysus, you expect me to believe that if I let you go you will return? Oh God, throw this criminal into prison. It means you think that I am a rascal, I am a foolish. Damon, wait, great king, my friend Pythas is an honest man. If he promises to return, he will keep his words. If he does not return, then on the day of his execution, I will take his punishment of death. If he didn't return, then I will take the place of his. Who said? Damon, his friend Pythas' friend. Dionysus, well, if you are foolish enough to take his place, then you deserve his death. Throw Damon into prison instead. It means throw Damon into prison instead of Pythas. See, Pythas, thank you Damon, my friend. I will feel better after my family has been cared for. Then I shall return. I will not let you take my penalty of death. It means I will surely return. Be free and relax. Damon, I believe you, my friend. Good luck for your journey. Okay, my dear friend, good luck and go ahead. Scene 2. Narrator. Pythas returned home. He had a safe and speedy trip. He got his sister married to a good man, bid goodbye to his mother, and started on his journey back to Syracuse. It means he married his sister to a good man and arranged everything for his survival, and then he is returning. However, on his way back, he ran into a storm and wild animals, and then into thieves. The thieves took all that he had and left him tied up in ropes. It means on his way back, he ran into a storm, wild animals, and the thieves. These three were the obstacle. It made him to come late. The thieves took all he had and left him tied up in ropes. It means he had snatched all the things and also tied him in rope. Tied means band there. Dionysus, so Damon, the day for the execution is almost here. Do you still think Pythas will return? Damon, my friend, is loyal and will come if he can. If not, I will gladly die in his place. Dionysus, then you are foolish beyond belief. Pythas has cheated you. I will see that you die in his place. You don't know, your friend have cheated you and you will die because of your foolish act. Scene number 3. Pythas comes in crawling in front of the curtain. He is tied up in ropes. His feet are still shackled. His heart and bleeding and covered in dust. It means this shows how difficulties was faced by Pythas to return on the time. Pythas, oh, how many obstacles have slowed my return? It means I have already told you number of obstacles, hindrance, stoppage, slowed my return. Why did those thieves have to tie me up? I begged them to take everything, but let me free to go back to Syracuse, but they would not. How will I get there in time to save my demon? He will surely think I have deserted him. Oh, my friend, if only I could untie these ropes, I would be with you in a trice. If I run fast enough, I might reach Syracuse in time. It means he is saying, I don't know, I am unable to understand why the thief have tied me. I have told him, let him take all the things, still he tied me. And that is the questions, and this was the main reason that I was not on the time. It means I have got late. And what would happen to my friend Demon? A crowd is gathered near a platform where the execution is to take place. It means number of people gathered. First person, it is a terrible day when Damon, one of our most liked citizens, should die at the command of our cruel king. It means it is very, very shame for us that our respected citizen Damon would be die due to our king. Second person, see, you don't want to go the same way. Shut up your mouth. People go to Dionysus as he walked with his followers to sit near the platform. Dionysus, seating himself, bring the prisoner. You were a fool to take Pytha's place, Damon. Now get ready to die. Dionysus said, you were foolish to take place of the Pythas, and now get ready. The time is over. First person, there, look there, isn't it? Look there, no, he had not returned. Second person, you indeed it is, I can't believe it. Pythas, running up to the platform where the execution is to take place. Wait, stop the execution, I am here. It means at the last moment, the Pythas arrived there and said, wait, I am here. One of Dionysus' followers, it's Pythas. Oh my God, how it could be? Another followers, he's returned to Syracuse. How it is possible? Pythas, oh, Damon, I am so sorry. I set off from home well in time. However, there was so many problems that I got delayed, my friend. But here I am now. I would have never forgiven myself if I had not been able to reach in time. Let me take my place. Lastly, after facing a lot of problems, after lots of efforts, I have left for Syracuse on time. Still I got late. Sorry my friends, if I would not be here, then it would be very, very sorrow for me and very, very great pain for me if you will die in my place. Damon, embracing him, hug him. I knew you had come back if you had life in you, my friend, I told Dionysus so. I have already told the Dionysus that my friend will surely come back. Chief jailer to Dionysus, shall Pythas be slain instead of Damon? Of course. The chief jailer asked to king, shall I slain, it means kill or hang Pythas instead of Damon? Dionysus looking shocked and moved. Though I have great treasures and mighty army, these two men have something more valuable, friendship. They have taught me a great lesson. Set both of them free. It means the Dionysus said, I have everything, great army, kingdom, money, and a person's everything. But these two persons have something more valuable, that is friendship. And this was the moral of this chapter. What is the moral of this chapter? This moral of the chapter is friendship is more valuable than armies and empires, and friendship costs nothing. So dear friends, have a good friendship. Thank you, take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay.